Key takeaways: automate your savings and investing. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings and investment accounts, making it a priority to pay yourself first. Small payments add up. Consistently saving and investing small amounts can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Eliminate willpower. Automate your finances to avoid relying on discipline and impulse control, which can be challenging to maintain. Prioritize your financial future. Allocate a fixed percentage of your income towards savings and investments, ensuring you take care of your financial goals before spending on other expenses. Real-life examples. The McIntyres, a couple with modest incomes, saved and invested consistently, accumulating $2 million by their early 50s. David Bach's own experience, starting with his grandmother's investment advice at age 7, led him to become a successful investor and author. Practical guidance. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings and investment accounts. Allocate 5% towards an emergency fund, aiming for 6 to 18 months' worth of living expenses in cash. Use behavioral psychology to your advantage by automating your finances, reducing the need for willpower. Review and adjust your system as needed, focusing on long-term goals rather than short-term sacrifices. Quote, "The secret to finishing rich is that you have to commit to it." Overall, the Automatic Millionaire emphasizes the importance of simplicity, automation, and discipline in building wealth. By prioritizing your financial future and consistently saving and investing small amounts, anyone can achieve financial freedom. If you liked this video and found the summary of The Automatic Millionaire helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful book summaries.